Request for a new sentence in Maryland denied. D.C. sniper Lee Boyd Malvo remains jailed for life for his role in the attacks that terrorized our region and left nearly a dozen people dead. Malvo's attorneys argued that his life sentences should be thrown out. Rick Ritter at Montgomery County Circuit Court to break it all down for us.
D.C. sniper Lee Malvo is now 32 years old, and a judge ruled that he's among the most uncommon teens who deserve a life sentence. He was just 17 years old and convicted of one of the most heinous attacks in American history. While D.C. sniper Lee Malvo was hoping for a new sentence in Maryland, he remains jailed for life.
We thought we were under a terrorist attack in this community.
It's been nearly 15 years since our region was gripped by fear. Malvo and his accomplice John Muhammad traveled in a vehicle described as a sniper's nest with a hole cut out to fire shots. The shooting spree left 10 people dead and 3 wounded throughout Maryland, D.C., and Virginia.
Everyone is frightened. This has got to stop.
Muhammad was later executed for his role, while Malvo was convicted of first-degree murder in both Maryland and Virginia and sentenced to life without parole. But just months ago, Malvo's attorney argued that those sentences should be thrown out after the Supreme Court ruled that mandatory life sentences for juveniles are unconstitutional. This week, a Montgomery County judge denied that request in Maryland, saying Malvo's original sentence was procedurally legal under the law of this state.
The bottom line is, any way you analyze this case, this is a complete loss for Mr. Malvo.
While Malvo's attorney can appeal, the denial of a new sentence brings more closure in a spree that years later finds itself still making headlines. Again, Malvo can still appeal, and he's currently being held at a prison facility in Southwest Virginia. Back to you on TV Hill.
Now, a federal judge ruled that Malvo is entitled to new sentencing hearings in Virginia, a decision prosecutors have appealed.